Yeah! Oh. So when you tear things up on the trail, and we all do it, some of them you build, some of them you buy. So we had two types of CAD here. We got cardboard aided design, and we still have to have the hole for the drain. I'm not quite sure yet how we're going to strap the back of it to hold it. So as always, we did our first rendition, then I move into foam board, right? And then what do we do after this? Well, let me show you. The flange will make out a quarter. Hope you enjoyed the build, and I'll see you in this next video on more places to take it.